Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Qayyum bin Suhaimi. My matric card number B0920100439.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Muhammad Haikal bin Amran, number matric B0920103997. Today I would like to present about my chapter 2 is design concept. Okay, first I want to tell about brainstorming. About my product is filter press. First we must getting started. We must know the theme, the title and target what we want to achieve. After that we must collect the information from the internet, group discussion. We also can collect information from graphic from the internet. The data we can we can get from the public and private. After that, preparation. We must find the best design and choose a way to design the product. Next, rework. We must do a form to ask a feedback about our design. Last, we must check. We must check by part what we have done in terms of safety, environmental, sustainability, and material what we use. Okay, this is our 4 design that our team has drawn. First design, we can see that we have a outlet at the below of the filter. Second design, we have a tank to collect our unnecessary thing. Third design, same as second design, have a tank and a little bit smaller than the second design. Last design that we choose to create the filter press. After that, our consumer survey. Our purpose to do a questionnaire is to obtain the response from various type of answer to be analyzed. From the questionnaire, we have be able to make some assumption for our report. Based on the pie chart, we can see that most of the respondent is from student at 86.2% of it, and the rest is from public worker, factory worker, and all citizen. Second pie chart, based on the pie chart, we can see the most of the respondent is from residential area at 51.7%, followed by village area at 37.9%, and then lot house at 10.3% of them. Third, the pie chart show we can conclude that most of the respondents give an answer is clean at 51.7% at the river at their residential area. Only 48.3% answer is not clean. We can see that they have many garbage at the river in the residential area. This can be shown by the pie chart given. There are 72.4% respondents say that the river at their residential area have a lot of garbage, while the rest say no. Okay, next, based on the pie chart given, we can see that the residential area having a bad water pollution. About 65.5% answers say no, and the rest say yes. Last question. The pie chart show that the respondent agree about our design of filter press machine can reduce the amount of garbage in their residential area. Okay, next, I would like to present about house of quality. We have 2 design here. As we can see that both design is easy to use, but it is not portable at all. In terms of safety and environmental, both design have terms of safety and environmental, and both design also require manpower. The last 2 design is both design also easy to use, but no portable at all. In terms of safety and environmental, both design have their safety and environmental. This both design did not require a manpower to handle it. Okay, lastly, I want to present about the final design that we have produced. This final design we have built the new filter press with more easy to use it. Filter press can facilitate the people in dealing with their increasing widespread of river pollution. The simple design made it look easy to use and great function. The pipe system made it easier to reuse the clean water that has been filtered. The pneumatic pump can push the filter to be faster when do the filter process. Other than that, the advantage of the filter press are high filtration velocity and low moisture content in form filter cakes. Due to the high filtration pressure that can be applied, filter press have long been used for a wider range of application than any other type of filter. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Azib bin Abdul Latif. My metric number B0920103335. Today, I want to talk about Chapter 3 Product Development. Alright, I want to present our flowchart. First, we start our project with brainstorming about company name, team, vision, mission, job scope, and design. After that, we go through to decide our design. If our design not approved, we go back to do a brainstorming again. If our project was approved, we go through to design process. In design process, we do house of quality, make a consumer survey, and others. After we done with design process, we go through product development. In this part, we construct all technical drawing in SolidWorks software. Besides that, we also do some cost calculation and bill of material. Alright, next, we do discussion after done with product development. In this part, we discuss about structural analysis and discuss about how to improve design. If have any improvement, we must go back to product development. If don't have any problem, we go to the next part. The next part is conclusion. From this part, we can conclude our project based on our objective, whether achieved or not. If yes, we can start to do a report and video presentation. Next, we go to technical drawing. In this slide, we can see a few of model parts. First, we can see assembly view drawing, exploded view, and part drawing. Next, I will explain how the device works. This project works with mixture, typically of fine particle in water that we call slurry. It was pumped into the filter press. The solids are distributed evenly during the feed cycle. Solids begin to build on the filter cloth. Most of the solid or liquid separation is done by the filter cake building on the cloth. There are some fines may pass through the cloth number 1, but eventually the solid begin to form a layer on the filter number 2, much like a pre-coat. The layer trap the fine particles and form filter cake, which is filter number 3. As the filter press build pressure, the solid build within the chamber until they are completely full. When the chamber are full, the fill cycle is complete. The filtrate, which is liquid, are exit the filter pad to the corner port into the manifold. When the correct valve in the manifold are open, the filtrate exit through one single point. Next, this is our bill of material that have been listed to do this project. Alright, we go to process in terms of safety, environmental, and sustainability factor. First, safety. Safety is a state in which hazard and condition leading to physical, psychological, or material harm are controlled in order to preserve the health and well-being of individual and the community. It is an essential resource for everyday life, needed by individual and community to realize their aspiration. The material of this project model is made from plain carbon steel. When compare this material with another material, this material is more strong. Carbon steel is an iron-carbon alloy, which contain up 2.1% carbon. For carbon steel, there is no minimum specified content of other alloying elements. However, the purpose of choosing plain carbon steel is plain carbon steel are low corrosion and oxidation resistant. Besides that, the cloth that on filter is effective because most substances are attached on cloth by passing through the water. The type of filter cloth that used on filter is polypropylene. As we know, polypropylene is the most common material. It has strong resistance to acid and alkali. A satin finish added to the fiber can allow for easy cake release. Alright, we go to the environmental. This model project uses pneumatic pump system that does not release pollution. It implies that this model does not use any oil. As a result, the water not pollute because there are no oil flow or the possibility to oil spill will not occur because this model project use air pressure to move the filter. Next, the habitat in the river will maintain and this can prevent the habitat from extinction. This product also not affect on aquatic habitat because this filter press machine work on surface. The goal of this model is to filter the substance in the water and remove unpleasant smell. As the result, people can enjoy the clean water in their daily life. Alright, we go to the next point. This point is sustainability. Pneumatic system is a green energy because the system is using air energy that do not harm to the environment. Although this energy cannot be depleted because air and electricity is the energy that can be renewable and easy to get. If we use beside the air and electricity energy such as oil by using hydraulic system that can reach the water that enter the system. If the hydraulic system have a leakage, the water can be polluted and can be dangerous for us by oil entering the water system. So, the sustainability can be done if we use the clean energy such as air and electricity.
Hello, my name is Yashan Kuhan. My metric number is B0920100507, and I'll be presenting about the discussions today. In our discussion, many suggestions were made to address the suitability and cost of the material to manufacture the product. We made sure to discuss and choose the best possible material that would suit the function. It will be cheaper than other similar products in the market. The team have also discussed about the issues of wastage, meaning that some of the items that were used in the development of the product, for example the plastic coating used to construct the cover of the filter plate, was made from reused plastic waste. We also discussed about the style and design of our product, making sure that the design doesn't consume much space since we want it to operate in small places or large ones easily. We also discussed about user friendly and have come up with the best possible control system so that our users are able to easily master and use our product with no issues. We also made sure our product runs efficiently and doesn't consume much power or resources to function, making it very low cost friendly for others. We also came up with ideal design to reduce the pneumatic cylinder to one with a smaller diameter. We also choose the best filter possible to absorb any excess waste. There are multiple tests run on the 3D model of the filter pump that we have set as our design in this project. One of the tests that was carried out on the filter pump was the one meter stress test. This test is carried out to determine if a given material will yield or fracture after a set amount of stress or load is applied on it. The 1 measures yield criterion states that if the 1 measures stress of a material under load is equal or greater than the yield limit of the same material under simple tension, then the material will yield. After carrying out the test on our subject, we have found that when it doesn't fracture within the normal substandards, like similar products to it, thus proving that it can handle stress well. The next test that we've carried out is a displacement test. In constant displacement tests, the specimens are either self-loaded or stressed in a self-loading frame. The testing of constant displacement is straightforward and inexpensive, hence why we decided to also run this test on our product to ensure that it would handle any threshold tests, apply to it easily and able to withstand it for a long time, hence proving to us its effectiveness and ductility in facing conditions where it is exposed to a high amount of stress. Our product was found to be able to withstand a high amount of threshold stress, proving that it was indeed adequate to be used in conditions with high material stress event. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name Wan Muhammad Firdaus Wan Faizal. My metric number is B0920100297. Today I want to instruction about conclusion for our project for my project team, the feature press. Firstly, the objective and goals of the project were we are successfully achieved and the product was tested and found to be working correctly and efficiency. Thus, it is now available to be fabricated and marketed commercially for the benefit of both mankind and the environment. We found that river pollution is prevalent in industrial areas and fields that cause bad odor. With our advanced technology from Big Boss Engineering Company, what has made a project which is to filter waste or toxic found in the river. We already know this river system is the main source for habitat. It is not taken care completely this cause damage to our habitats. Hence, by using this filter can cut the lag of the waste making. For example, if it's not properly cared for, will cause many fish to die, and humans will get the disease. With this project, we are able to clean the river that is too dirty and can beautifully the river area. With this, we use the SolidWorks to design the project. We run a clear picture to the users. In this feature also, we took the aspect of our movement, weight, size and length. Cost of making access if the budget, a big budget. A SolidWorks software provides simulation to us, the runners project, clean pollutes rivers area. We have responded to the residents and the community about the technology we create the river water filter. That's all for me. Thank you.